Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I installed this wig, how it looks down with the long middle part, because this part on this wig, honey, is to die for. And then I just went ahead and put in this cute little ponytail at the top with the rest down. Okay, so let's get into the video. EvaWigs, and then my wig. And it also comes with a comb, some hairpins, also have a wig cap, and they also sent the information booklet. Here's the wig, and this is their Kinky straight hair. Oh, it's long and pretty. It also has the bold little mesh cap in the inside, and as you can see here, the knots have been pre-plucked and bleached as well, with about 2-inch parting space on the side and 6 inches down the middle. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and like pressed my edges back. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Okay, so this wig, I left a little lace piece, and last time I took it out because it looks like this. But I'm gonna try to finesse it and keep it on this one. So I will be using my Bold Hold lace adhesive. So I'm gonna do my side tabs. I like to do them last so I can really focus on the glue, because this is the side that be coming up. Okay, I'm also go back on the spots that don't have any glue, like this. I didn't want to bring it down too far and it go past the lace, because that's when it get like real sticky and weird. Alright, so now let's bring the side tabs down. Now I'm just going in any areas that need a little bit more glue. Okay, I'm going to take some of my contour color by Black Radiance and just put that on my hairline. It's a little too light. Now I'm just take this elastic band, put it right over my edges. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm ready to straighten out my part and straighten my hair. So let's take this off. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, now y'all really get to see how I look with no edges, because I think I'm gonna just add baby hair last. So I'm gonna put a little makeup on my part. Rub it in as much as you can, and if you need more, then you just add more. Just build it up. Y'all, my part going back so far, like I can't even see exactly where to keep parting. Look at that. Yes, let me get this spray. Okay, y'all, so now you see how it looks. Like, this is the texture before I flat iron it or add like any product to it. I'm only going to be adding a heat protectant spray. I'll show you guys in a second, but that's all I'm going to be adding. But this is how it looks in its natural state. Looks really good. Look at that part, boy. And I'm going to add baby hair because I want to, even though it looks good and natural like this. Alright, y'all, so this is the heat protectant that I will be using. It's by Fantasia. Y'all, get this one in the red bottle. It is bomb. I never in my life. But you don't need a lot. See that? Instantly. But this middle part, honey, got me being extra. Okay, so this one side, I'll spray like this. Like, that's literally all that you need. You do not need a lot, unless you want to put a lot. But it might weigh down your wig. I don't know. And this flat iron is by Olaxer, Amazon-based company. There's no link anymore. Sorry. Like, I could definitely get away with not flat ironing this, but I want it like real thick and silky. Okay, but the natural kinkiness of this hair looks really good. But you choose. If you want to wear it like this, you can. Or you can straighten it. Okay, that's scalp in the inside. Just make sure you blend where the lace starts, as well as where the inside cap lace that they sewn on there, where that meets. As long as that's blended, you're good. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. I did go ahead and do my baby hair yesterday, and then I just put it up. It's been like this since yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the flat iron through it. So Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair looks straightened with the middle part. Okay guys, so I decided to put it up in like a cute little half up, half down. Yeah, that's how it's like. Alright you guys, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig, as well as click the link down below so you can go check out EvaWigs and go purchase yours. Alright, until next time, I'll see you guys.